Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on automatic brightness on your iPhone. So let's get started. You just need to click on settings, and after that you scroll down a little bit until you will find an option called display and brightness. Click on it, and when you scroll a little bit down, as you can see here, there is an option called true tone. This one, true tone. You just need to activate it like that, and now your iPhone will have the option of auto brightness, and when you change from place to place, also the brightness of your screen will change depending on the light condition of your place. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.